Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Enjoy.
Hey, where you get the latest news and all things trending and newsworthy. Now, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit that bell so you never miss any of my uploads. News broke of Gogo Maweni's arrest today, and after case numbers were shared and victims spoke out, a lot of people anticipated that all of that drama was finally catching up with Gogo Maweni. However, it seems there are numerous charges when it comes to the Sangoma. She made her appearance after she was charged with assault to cause grievous bodily harm for something that happened in the year 2019. Now, Gogo Maweni has been trending ever since the year began for her feud with her friend, where they later resolved things after a lot of hurtful, painful, and just heartbreaking things were said and done to each other. After Gogo Maweni's appearance at the Protea Magistrate Court, where she had applied for bail, where some of her family members could be seen, including her mother and husband Sabelo, it could clearly be seen on her face the anger and disappointment. Maweni's case has been postponed until next week Monday on the 27th of January, where she will get the chance to apply for a formal bail. However, until that day, Gogo Maweni will remain in custody with no bail.
At approximately 3 o'clock in the afternoon, that was the 19th of January 2025, at approximately 3 o'clock in the afternoon, I had a look at the case number, that is the police case number. It is December 2019, however, the accused was arrested only yesterday. In his profile is at 69, all bails taken in the docket. The court will allow the state to make the bail statement as well as the profile, and the court is taken 7 days to obtain statement. Namely, the police was reached Monday, 27 January 2025, for formal bail application. Until being usually in custody. That's the part.
Can we please have